The plural of all the nouns is les. The plural of a or un is always des. Most French nouns are made plural by adding an s to the singular. Le chien, les chiens. Une amie, des amis. In addition, make note of the following plural rules. Nouns that end in s, x, or z in the singular stay the same in the plural. Anchois, des choix. Le nez, les nez. Le cours, les cours. Some plural nouns are irregular. Le bureau, les bureaux. Un hôpital, des hôpitaux. Le lieu, les lieux. Le travail, les travaux. The masculine form is always used to refer to a group, two or more people, that includes at least one male. Un étudiant et 4 étudiantes, des étudiants. Un Français et une Française, des Français. The final S is usually not pronounced in French. Spoken French distinguishes most singular and plural nouns by the pronunciation of the definite article. Le touriste, les touristes. When the S of a plural article, les or des, is followed by a vowel sound, it is pronounced z and begins the following syllable. This is called the liaison. Les exercices des hommes. Don't forget to like and subscribe and contact us for more information.